Wholesaling real estate is a popular investment strategy among beginners because it allows them to earn a profit without having to invest a lot of money up front. In this guide, we will take a deeper dive into the steps involved in wholesaling real estate with no money. Step 1. Build your buyer's list. The first step in wholesaling real estate is to build your buyer's list. This list will consist of potential investors who may be interested in purchasing the properties you find. You can attend local real estate investing groups and networking events to meet other investors who may be interested in your deals. You can also use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter to connect with other investors in your area. Step 2. Find potential properties. The next step is to find potential properties to wholesale. Look for distressed or neglected properties in your area. You can drive around neighborhoods and look for signs of neglect, such as overgrown yards, boarded-up windows, or peeling paint. You can also use online tools such as Zillow or Redfin to find potential properties. Step 3. Negotiate the deal. Once you have found a potential property, you will need to negotiate the deal with the seller. This is where your negotiation skills come into play. You want to get the property under contract at a price that will allow you to make a profit when you sell it to your buyer. Be sure to do your due diligence and research the property's value to ensure that you are getting a good deal. Step 4. Assign the contract. After you have negotiated the deal and have the property under contract, you will need to assign the contract to your buyer. This means that you are selling the rights to the property to your buyer for a fee. The fee you charge should be enough to cover your costs and leave you with a profit. You will also need to include an assignment clause in your contract to make sure that you can legally assign the contract to your buyer. Step 5. Close the deal. The final step is to close the deal. Your buyer will pay you the assignment fee and take over the contract. They will then close on the property and take ownership. It is important to have a solid understanding of the closing process and to work with a reputable title company to ensure a smooth transaction.